migrant families, giving them all the services they need so that they can create a beautiful, a very good cause. You have contributed to your own growth and development in this country. So thank you so much. And like every year, we have a great lineup of entertainment.
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Param Dharma. What I said in Hindi was that to serve these senior citizens of Chicagoland area, we are very much indebted to them for being with us and for performing the show today. MAFS has been in existence for 32 years and counting. So it's been a long time, a long innings, and we still continue with the same because we hope and pray that our seniors are well taken care of. I'm in the same age bracket now. I'm 73 years old, but still, I work for my seniors. I don't consider being one of them, but as a servant to them. So thank you so much for coming today, and all the best. And one little thing I want to give here.
So very blessed and honored. Dr. Kumar, you are so amazing. She's such a wonderful hostess, and she taught me so much. So for me, it's just such an honor and a blessing to be able to come here and celebrate with you all on your very special day. On behalf of the village of Streamwood, I just want to let you all know we really acknowledge all the amazing work that you do for our community, for the seniors in our community. Thank you so very much, and thank you for letting me attend this wonderful ceremony. I feel very honored, very blessed. Thank you.
Is that which you pass on. The word heritage is that which you pass on to your children, is what they pass on to their children. So it's important to note, I have 3 minutes to talk, and I'm going to end in 3 minutes. 1 minute, the first minute I'm going to dedicate it to what is heritage in terms of power. In India and the world over, everybody wants power. We are proud to have America as the #1 power in the world. But what is it known as? Prosperity. It's known as its arms power. So power in Indian language is known as Shakti. Shakti comes from your actions. आप जैसे बिहेव करते हो, आप जैसे अपने आप को ट्रीट करते हो, the way you behave, the way you act. You get a bone, one bone to two dogs. They'll be playing before that, but they'll tear each other if you get one bone. But I don't think anyone here, if you get one gulab jamun, and all of us are here, I think we will say, you please take it. I hope so. So Shakti comes from that power. That power comes from when you serve others. The moment you find yourself working for the interest of others, you get more power. But the moment you find yourself tired, lethargic, irritated, aggressive, there is something wrong in our actions.
Especially CETA. CETA, you may not know, is a community government organization who fund for light bill and the heating bill. When the people do not have lights at all, or the heat at all when the winter season, and that emergency services is a very difficult program. Let me tell you why. Because the government program run on papers. And our people do not want to give paper at all. They need bill, they need all their income, evidence, and you know that we are so poor in giving the evidence. And this gentleman go through such a pain, such a abuse from them, though he is helping, we are helping them. So I don't know how much patience he had. I told him, looking to his age, I will stop this program. He said, no. So I'm continuing because of this gentleman. Immigration, we have many other paralegals and attorneys. We have taken care of all the centers. We have 12 centers, you know, and we have people from all the background to help in immigration problems with their children, for their visa, for this or for that. Recognize him, and he does voluntarily. He's not a paid person. You have to understand that. And every morning, rain or shine, he is there. His wife, his very dear wife, very active, and then come to the office, right back. No rest, no absent of a single day. Yeah, I mean single day. Not only that, he has taken the burden or a pleasure of taking care of her sister of 90-year-old. Wow! Totally bedridden. 2 sisters, 10 years he served, another sister now, she just passed away, I think last week, but he or she served them in spite of their health and their age. This is such a commendable human beings, both of them. How much we can learn from them. I have no words for her and for him. Thank you so much.
The only thing I want to say is, I worked in Middle East, made enough money, so when I came to US, I thought I should do volunteer work and help the low-income people and the immigrants from other parts of the world. Thank you, Mr. Kumar, for giving me such an honor. I'm grateful to the board of directors and Mr. Kumar.
Very well. I think he deserves a standing ovation. Yes. Please. लेकिन बैठ के लिए कितने लोग तैयार हैं? कितने लोग फ्री सर्विस करने को तैयार हैं? Thank you so much. Stalwart of the society, please learn You know what is my achievement? Can anybody can say? Anybody can find out. Say anything. What is my best achievement? Huh? Again, what is my achievement? Vandana, for you, what is my achievement?
Bringing life to the people, those who were sitting idle, and making sure that their age is just a number for them. So then when you're talking about Mr. Mahajan, he's not 87, he's 78. And this guy, Mr. Rakesh Asthana, he's not 73, he's 37. That's what you have brought to people.
That is very much right, Vandana. But it goes beyond that. You know what my services have done? It has created such an interest in the whole society, whole communities to do the senior work.
Oh yeah.
Every nook and corner is opening services thinking they will become famous. Though their thought process is not really right. But interest has generated. The senior service has to be done. When I came in this country, everybody was talking about senior services. Every organization, UP organization, Rajasthan organization, Kerala organization, all the Tamil organization, Tana, Van, everywhere I went, everybody is talking to do something for the seniors. But nobody has a clue to do anything. And they could not find a way how to do that.
Cloning is clone, original is original, you should always remember
that's
that.
because their intention may not be like me.
Yeah.
Because I have jumped it, leaving all my very lucrative business or career and do the service after leaving everything. They want to become famous. They think they have to take this famousness or they have wrong idea that I can make money out of this, which is very wrong. This program, though they are funded by the government, by the county, by the state, but even then it's very insufficient money, very little money. Mary is here, she will tell you, she's from the state or from the village. No village has given money. Maybe sometime 5,000, sometimes 10,000 for a year period. You cannot hire any person because these services required a very qualified person. Do you think I can hire Roshita for a $10,000 per year? Radhika, $10,000 per year? How is it possible? These services required a very high qualified person who knows English very well, who knows laws, and who can fight for them in the government offices. That much skill you need. And you should drive by your own petrol or your own gas. That is the service you require. People have make services name by collecting themselves for 50 days, one day after in a month or something, and they want to say that we are doing service. They are not service. This is the service which we provide at least 40 programs for them, day in, day out, 365 days a year.
And the theme of this dance is, it's a traditional Rajasthani dance. And meanwhile, I'll also announce the participants' names: Sushma Singh, Ashruti Parekh, Sheila Shah, Madhur Mathur.
with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With the bang bang.
तो बहुत दिन हो गए हैं, बेटे के पास रहती हूँ पर घर में ना मन नहीं लगता, जाती हूँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा।
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम मोहिंदर है जी। आपका क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम मीनू है जी।
बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके।
हेलो मंजू, आज तो आप अपने साथ एक फ्रेंड को भी लेके आए हैं, बहुत अच्छा लगा। नमस्ते।
नमस्ते जी, नमस्ते जी।
ये महिंदर है, अपने बेटे के पास आई है। वो कह रही है मेरा मन नहीं लगता, तो अब आप देखो।
नमस्ते जी, आप समय कैसे बिताती हैं?
मैं तो बहुत मस्त रहती हूँ, वॉक करती हूँ, योगा करती हूँ, घर के काम करती हूँ। मैं अपना बहुत बिजी रहती हूँ।
ये तो बड़ी अच्छी बात है, पर मैं तो समय नहीं बिता सकती। अभी ये बहन जी से पूछती हूँ, आप कैसे समय निकालते हो?
अरे मेरी तो क्या पूछिए, यहाँ एक बहुत अच्छा सीनियर सेंटर है, जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ उसकी कोई मिसाल नहीं है।
सही? अच्छा।
उसकी क्या तारीफ करें, उसकी कोई मिसाल नहीं है। वहाँ हम लोग जाते हैं, हम लोगों के हिसाब से ही वहाँ सारे प्रोग्राम बनाए जाते हैं। हमारा दिन वहाँ पर प्रेयर से शुरू होने के बाद हम लोगों को योगा एंड एक्सरसाइज कराई जाती है। उसके बाद फिर हम लोगों को गेम्स खिलाया जाता है।
जैसे मेहरबान का सहारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों। एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों।
पेट्रो में बड़े बड़े गुण, सुन सुन सुन, अरे सुन सुन, इस पेट्रो में बड़े बड़े गुण, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना आजमाए। मेट्रो में आ जाए, 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 मेट्रो में आ जाए। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
In our raga music, we practice in such a way that until our breathing exhausts, the sargam will never stop.
Ready? Namaskar and good afternoon. Sabse pehle, Chicago is such a pious place and we welcome you here. We are right here in the suburbs of Chicago and you performed today in the city of Chicago. The Windy City has been known. And when we talk about the classical, and we are seeing it how this new generation are more keen to it because it's not about, I'm not going to criticize like the music, the Bollywood, because you need to have some base, then only you can perform.
Exactly.
So how do you feel, because you've been from like earlier at a given time that where people were like only like ha, hu, he, but that's receding now. People are getting through the real thing instead of, even in the reels they are using more real.
Exactly, because it is a game of time actually. So people are now getting much more connected to their roots, and even in India and here as well, when we perform, we see a lot of young people, they are coming to listen to our raga music. And so those people who says that no, raga music is dying, nobody listens to it, I don't feel like that. I am really very encouraged by the presence and by the warmth of the young crowd. And unless and until this young crowd loves our culture and music, it won't go further. And now in even Bollywood, the songs which are touching our souls, they have some connection with the ragas and the classical things. So it's a very good thing that these things again reviving and touching the hearts of younger generation as well.
In the beginning itself, you said the contribution. And we have to let the people know that this belongs to us. We were ready to share because music without boundaries, we all know that, and music brings people together. So, as you just said, that the zeal within the young generation. So, is it outside Bharat or is it within Bharat also that you are seeing this kind of change?
Yes, in Bharat as well, even in Kolkata, in Maharashtra, in Punjab, in Gujarat, wherever I go to perform, even in Goa, lots of youngsters they are coming, and the good thing is that many young people, they are interested to learn these subjects, not only loving, because there are some universities, as you know, Rabindra Bharati University or Khairagarh University, those are only dedicated for music and art and culture. They are now getting many students, many young students, and parents are also, I love to thank the parents as well, because they are also encouraging their words to, or Sabke Pyar, the love we get from everybody, from listeners of all ages, it's priceless, it's priceless.
On a concluding note, technology allows you to teach, have students from all over. So I would like to hear on that note.
Yes, actually this COVID thing, it's blessing in disguise, because people, when they were at home, they were finding some outlet to learn something new. And after this COVID period, I noticed many people from different places of the world. As my YouTube channel is now almost 65,000 followers, and it boomed in the COVID session, and even participants from Laos, Nigeria, Auckland, New Zealand, they are also joining and taking interest to our Indian culture. This internet and online thing is doing a great help spreading our music and culture. I am really thankful to this internet thing.
धन्यवाद हमसे बात करने का. Thank you.
आप भी मेरा बहुत बहुत नमस्कार लीजिए. शिकागो के सब संगीत प्रेमी, गुणी सब लोग को मेरा बहुत बहुत नमस्कार. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much. Appreciate. Now you will sing me, okay? Good. I'm ready. Good afternoon, and we are right here in Streamwood, Illinois. So MAFS, when it talks about giving back to the community, and there is a procedure that they have to generate some funds on their own, in spite of being state funding or federal funding, I don't know about that. I'll just talk to him. And serving many people for almost 32 years now. With me is Sagar Prashant. We welcome you, three of us, and three of you plus me. Seeing year after year, because we have done it here also in the new facility. Let's talk to you. When we talk, because Mom was mentioning about like how you have to have some matching, like, you know.
Yeah.
So it's very, very crucial. And the best part is those who are getting the benefit, they're also contributing.
Yeah. So, yeah, just to piggyback, basically all of MAFS programs run on grant-based programs because it's a charity organization. So when we read our grants, it's inclusive that we have to fundraise in the grant itself. So even if we have all the grants, they basically pick up maybe 65 or 75% of the cost, but we have to, fill in the gaps.
And that gap has to come with fundraising and donations.
Yeah, so we rely on these fundraisers to help hit that gap.
Yeah, we couldn't even have these programs without that support.
And there is another thing which is very, very important. The people, those who are here, they're not going back. So it is a time for the first and the second generation to contribute it back here, because we have life here. And for the second generation, I always tell them, because your parents are getting benefit. See that?
Yeah,
or
trying to get as much family involved as well. Yeah, sell tickets, make sure through the seniors, through the managers at the location calling. Yeah,
and just to see their grandparents or their parents enjoy themselves.
Oh, okay.
So I got to, from starting from.
Oh, we'll just keep going,
Yeah, no problem. That's okay. They will add it.
Okay.
Recording? Okay.
So yeah, we'd love to see the kids and the grandkids come to support their parents or their grandparents. I think they have an immense pride in all the preparation that goes along with these events, and we definitely call them, and I think they're very happy when their family comes along.
I like the one performance which was binding the generations together. Like, that's the logo that TV Asia says that, like how the grandkid was talking to his mom and then the grandma, and she performed it. Let's hear from you. Vanda.
Yeah, no, I think all of the performances were amazing. I feel like it's you can see their dedication on stage, how much the seniors really appreciate the time to put something like that together, and their efforts to include all generations too. So it's very relatable. I think all the performances were done very well, and that one was especially very good because it was, bridging the gaps between the generations.
Anything else which is important for you to share?
Oh, I just wanted to have another shout out to Mr. Mahajan. He won the Lifetime Achievement Award today. He's been at the organization as a volunteer for 20 years. But anything you ever needed for the last 20 years, as far as OCIs go, immigration assistance or CEDA, any of those programs, he was your guy, and he's been doing it so selflessly for the last 20 years. He's like a grandparent to us too. So yeah, we have dinner with him and his family. So it's a great thing for him.
A lot to learn, actually.
Yeah. Again, very grateful, Mr. Hajan. Thank you for all the hard work for our organization.
Yeah, all the staff, Radhika and Roshita.
And all the MFS staff.
I think you guys have become a family, to be very honest. All of the staff, like this is.
It is. It's one very big family, and I'm very happy to be a part of it.
Thank you. All the best. Good luck.
Thank you.
And
Sanjita. There's not a problem.
No.
I'm the nervous.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you gotta do it. I'm the IT guy. All right?